Are you a homeowner or business owner struggling to find a reliable construction company for your building project? Look no further. With 30 years of experience in the construction industry, we've successfully completed over 200 projects, ranging from residential homes to commercial buildings. Our expertise covers all types of construction, ensuring that whatever your needs may be, we have the knowledge and skills to bring your vision to life. We pride ourselves on using only the highest quality materials in every project we undertake. We understand that time is money, especially in the construction business. That's why we guarantee on-time project completion, allowing you to move forward with your plans without unnecessary delays or setbacks. From the initial planning stages to the final touches, we work closely with you to ensure that every detail is perfect and that your project is completed to your exact specifications. Contact us today to start building your future with a company you can trust for quality, reliability, and on-time delivery. To know more the details, contact our mobile number or visit our website link in description. Don't forget, like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.